me again. So another blank canvas. I'm just gonna pick up some of these drip-offs from the previous painting to cover the surface with. The only shame is that even though I did remove most of the old paint from my table, not all of it came off, so now some bits and pieces are coming loose. So let's just do it like that. Okay, so what I learned from the previous one is that I really like the phthalo blue, but I would like a bit more white and silver, and maybe a bit more copper here and there. Here and there, but not, then again, not too much. So we need contrast, but not. I do want the phthalo to be the most dominant, or the blue to be the most dominant color overall. Did I put? My memory, I already forgot which colors I put in. Oh, don't sneeze, don't sneeze. Okay, well, let's start with phthalo again. Just gonna put this upside down on there for a bit so that I can use that paint as a base as well. Oh yeah, I think I used white after this, but now I'll go with Prussian. Don't have too much left of that, but that's okay. Let's see. Silver. Then this one. Oh, it's not a screen. And maybe I'll use a bit of this manganese blue. Not too much. And then some white. Also, oh, you can't even see what I'm doing here on this side. Squirted some white through as well. Bit more phthalo, then some copper. I'll just squirt some copper over there as well, and I'm just gonna be a bit there, and a bit more silver. Why not? I do think I have way too much paint now, but we'll see. I did say I have more canvases prepared, so it's going to be alright. That's why I prepared more canvases, because I usually have too much paint, or either I take not enough. I used to take not enough paint because I was worrying about wasting it, but now that I've got some new canvases, which I'm running out of quickly, by the way, making all these series, but it's nice to have, when I have paint left over, I just like to play around with that. Yeah, I just like to play around with that. my nail went through. Always happens at some point. At least my whole hands will be blue, right? Okay, are we in focus? Yes. Yeah, well, there is a bit of a glare, but I can't really get rid of that. Hope there's not too much of a shadow. Maybe I will pour from this side this time. Oh, these colors together are gorgeous. Let's see how to proceed. More on this side. I like when those lines get all squiggly. Ooh. Okay, plenty of paint. But that's good because I see some parts that I would really like to keep. And I will need some paint to help things run off smoothly. I think I need to refill my torch soon. Sure, my head is in the shot now. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Shall we? I'm gonna have to lose some of the beauty again, of course, but let's see if we can keep some of it as well. Sure we can. If you have a nice pour going on, you can usually, you wish you can keep everything, but what you are left with is usually totally worth it. Okay, let's see. There's a lot of phthalo in the middle there, but I think that's okay for some negative space because there's plenty of other stuff going on. Time for new gloves. See, these fingers went through. Oh well. I'm so in love with this technique. I just most of the time when I get a nice color combination, it just turns out so splendidly. Make me so happy to look at. Those little squiggles make me feel like I'm looking at the earth from above, come from an airplane. One of my sisters is on an airplane right now, on her way back to the Netherlands from Peru. And I'm so happy that she's able to come back. See my torches going. I'm so happy she'll be back in the Netherlands in a few hours, and she'll be self-quarantining for 2 weeks or so. But she said she'll come visit me after that, so I can't wait to see her again. Don't know if I'll be able to give her a hug, but at least I'll be able to see her again, which is splendid. What's also splendid is this painting. Wow. Wow. See? I'm not gonna pick it up now because my hands aren't in gloves. Or maybe I will. Well, let me zoom in again. Isn't that pretty? It will never capture the colors right, of course, but yep, I like it. It's interesting to see how these colors interact with each other. I wonder if I should tilt a bit more, but wow, this looks like water or something, and this is also very cool. This in the middle, ooh. I wonder what it will do by itself when the colors sink. Sink in. Okay. Nice. On to the next. I think so.